Today, I would like to show you how to make my favorite snack, potato cheese ball. Have you ever tried it? If you never have it, let's start to make it together. We will need 200 gram peeled cut potatoes, some cube mozzarella cheese, breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of flour, 50 gram flour, 20 milliliters milk, an egg, some cooking oil, half teaspoon of salt, some chili sauce, parsley, and celery. Let's start to make it. First, steam the potatoes in medium heat for about 20 minutes. Next, when it's cooked, take out from the steamer. After that, mash the potatoes while they are still hot. Like this. After that, add half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of flour, mix well. Another bowl, add 50 grams of flour, 20 milliliters milk, an egg, crack the egg. Mix them to make a thin paste. Like this. Next, take some potato flour, but don't forget to wear gloves. Put mozzarella cheese block in the middle, shape into a ball. Like this. Do the same process. Then, dip the balls in flour paste. Then, roll it in the breadcrumbs. Do the same process. Next, add some cooking oil in the frying pan. Then, turn off the stove in medium heat. Wait until the oil ready. After that, fry until golden brown. After it's done, remove the oil to a kitchen tissue. Finally, let's place the potato cheese ball in a plate. Then, sprinkle some parsley and put a celery. Serve with some chili sauce. Ta-da! So this is it. This is our potato cheese balls. That's all how to make potato cheese ball. Hope you can follow the recipe and make your own potato cheese ball at your home. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.